Today we're getting rid of that holy bumper on the Meano Camino. We got our hardware, we've got our tools. First things first, we got to remove those lights so we can get to the bumper. These bolts right here are the bolts that hold the bumper on. Just to hold her up for a little bit. Alright, 4 more on this side. Look at this thing. Oh, dude, I see it. Andrew, they're pretty close to each other. Yeah, this thing's ready for a new bumper. Alright, now extension cord and grind. Gotcha. Nice wad. Right here. Well, she's got some scratches, guys. Wait, now it just matches the El Camino a little better. This is why you don't buy a Lamborghini and do stuff to it, because you're going to learn the hard way when you're being dumb and you don't even know it. I don't know what happened. That's how it shipped. Alright guys, we got the back side of the bumper removed. Now it's time to replace it with a new one. Oh boy. Filming. Let's see here. And we put it in. Jake. Made it through. That one's good, that one's good. That one's good. I got these washers here, Jake. Moment of truth. Oh gosh, perfect. Oh, we just never can have anything too nice. Well, at least not yet. We can. We just gotta learn. We gotta learn our lessons. We can. We do have nice stuff. Look at this bumper. Look at this bumper, though, bro. Look at that. You can't even tell that there's any scratches in it. See that shiny bumper, guys? It's time to hang it up there. Put these 4 bolts in. Oh gosh, Jake, you got your fingerprints on them. All right, brother man, that's it. Let's get these lights back in here and get those light fixtures back in. Can't find this wiring harness, guys. You look anywhere on the internet, if you find one, let me know. But we couldn't find one, so we built one from scratch. If you want to watch that video, it is in either of these corners. I forgot this one. Jake's giving me the good old nod. It's in that corner. There we go. There we go. That's how the further I want to go with. There we go. Shiny, nice bumper. Man, it's so shiny. Looks way too nice. Should scuff it up a little. Oh, time to be real. It's so shiny. It looks like there's a big gap here, but there's not. It's just a reflection of the bumper. Check this out, guys. Check it. Oh, ho, ho. That looks sick. Ready to burn the tires? Wow, somebody could rear end you now. You just find that brand new bumper. So funny, Jake. So funny. Put a reverse one too. Oh, sure. Yeah. Dang, bro.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of The Roy Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when a new episode of The Roy Garage drops.
Filming with Jake Roy. The Roy Garage. Let's get it.